Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku, a regular medium Sudoku puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday, April the 28th, 2021. Yes. The second Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. And this one will be number 2705. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare it with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. A 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 minutes to 20 minutes, yes, to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yes. Let me start with an 8. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row above. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row below. The only place for the 2 should be there. And then the 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number? Alright. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have 3 in the third row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. 3. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the first row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this big square. So no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 here. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 9 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. Okay. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then, oh, I made a mistake. 1 and how we have a double 9 here. Ay, 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 ay. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. Okay, so these two should be the 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. So this should be a 7, not a 9. Stupid mistake. And those should be the 8 and a 9. Wow, what a correction. If I didn't make this correction, the whole puzzle will be a mess. Yes, a mess. 3, 5. Alright, 7. Yeah. Alright. 1. 9. Yeah. 8. 9. Yeah. 5. Let me see. 6 should be here. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4. Okay. Then 1 should be there. 1. 2, 3, 4. Yes, one of the missing number in this column is the number 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left. For the numbers 1 and 7, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 7 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. All right. Then we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Okay. 8, 9. The 4 is missing and the 2 is missing. Yeah, 2. Alright. How about here? 1, 7, 6, and 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. We have an 8 and a 9 in this row, 8 and a 9 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 and the 9 should be in these 2 boxes. 8 and a 9 as a pair. So 1 digit left in the last row for the number 7. Alright. So I have marked those 2 boxes with a 3 and a 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, the 3 and the 6 are missing. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 6 and 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright, 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9, and look, we have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 3, 2, no 2, we have 7. 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. No, 7 we have. 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Same for the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 6. Alright, so we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow, 13 minutes. So it's faster than I've predicted, because I 2 stars Sudoku. I need 15 minutes to 20 minutes. So is it really a 2 stars? No, I think rather a 1 star. Alright, but I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular Sudoku. It's a killer Sudoku. And by the way, in this newspaper there's an additional with extra Sudokus, but first I will solve the regulars, and it will be a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.